Hi, welcome to my second NeverLAN CTF walkthrough. So for this one, I intend to cover this Bash Ninja Bash games in this walkthrough. So I hope the previous walkthrough on the web exploits was useful. Okay, so let's start with Bash 1. Isn't loading. Give it a while. Okay. Great. So we SSH in to the server. So as per what I checked from the administrator, Bash Ninja, there was some issue with the server, I guess. So I need to add this command in. Yep. So okay, let's start. The password is NeverLAN. So the environment I'll use here is actually Kali Linux. Okay, it's a bit off scale. Let me try to rescale it. Okay. So terminal. Okay. Great. So now we'll SSH in to this. The password is NeverLAN. Wow, looks fun. Okay, so for this challenge, you need to get the contents of welcome. So do a simple ls. You see welcome.txt. Cat to print out the contents inside the file. And we are done. Okay, the sword looks pretty cool. So this is the level 1 password. Let's just paste it into the notepad first. So this is the level 1 password. I don't think I can resolve. Yeah, I've already solved this, so I can't resolve. So moving on to bash 2. Okay, so they changed the level 1. So we'll exit from the SSH connection and change this to level 1. Right. Okay, the password was what we got just now. Okay, I can log in. So hide and seek. This should imply that the file is hidden. Yeah, hide a file and you seek for it. So actually you can just do ll to actually list all files. So the file is .honorcode.txt. Yeah, it is hidden. So if you do a normal ls, you wouldn't be able to see any files actually. So ll will list all the files, including the files that are hidden. Okay, so now let's try to cat .honorcode.txt. Okay, we found the file. The only path to honor is to stick to your chosen code. This is for level 2. Okay, now moving on to level 3. Level 3, the same thing, just use the use the bash 2 password. Nothing much about that. So same thing, we exit. Okay, the password. Just copy and paste. Okay, now we're at level 3. So we found the hidden file. We need to find the password in plain sight. Okay, so let's see what we have. Can you find me.txt? Okay, let's try to print out that file. Oh my, the amount of words is crazy. So I'm guessing we have to filter out without the flag from inside here. So okay, it's not stopping. Okay, we will just wait for it to end. Okay, it has ended. Yeah, we think that the thing maybe is like something along the words of honor inside. So yeah, we could cat it, but let us try to pipe it and grab something. Grab honor, which will maybe cut down the number of words since we have seen honor in the past few flags. Okay, I'm not too sure if it's how you use all cuts. Yeah. Okay. We also seen in the past two rounds that you also saw level inside. So maybe if you grab level, you might be able to find the flag instead. Level 3, Child of Honor. Not too sure why the wildcard didn't work, but okay, I got the flag. Level 3, Child of Honor. Okay, moving on to level 4. Same thing, except we use bash3 password. Yeah, change the user to level 3 also. So I know how to use grep or some other similar program. Now can you do the same thing with a binary file? Okay, looks interesting. We list all the files and oh, there's a random, so maybe let's try to cat random. Let's see what we get. 1 ton of gibberish. Okay, that's really a lot of gibberish. Yeah, so for this, trying to get plain text words, normally using strings will do it. So, same thing, we'll cat random and then maybe we'll try to, actually we can just strings random. Yeah, that should work. Okay, still a lot of stuff. To simplify this, maybe we could, same thing, strings and then grab it, maybe. Grab by level again. Okay, we don't have to look through all that stuff. Only hack things you own. Level 4, flag, only hack things you own. Moving on, same thing, level 5. Use bash4 password 80. Okay. Exit. Level 5. Here's a file, but I won't tell you what it is. You have to figure that out on your own. Okay, so you see next level. Yeah. So normally what you would do if you want to find out the file type, you could actually file next level. So we know it's gzip compressed data. Okay, so we have to figure out how to extract gzip information. Extract gzip Linux. Command line gunzip. Yeah, so probably gunzip would be the command. If not, we can always do gunzip -- help for skip list. Okay. Maybe we could just gunzip the file first. Gunzip next level. Yeah, but from what I understand, you have to gunzip a file that ends with .gz. So maybe you can rename the file first. So to rename the file, it will be move next level to next level. .gz. Okay, so if you list it out, next level .gz. So now your gunzip should work. Okay, list again. Wait a moment. Wait. Okay, so you have extracted it. And yeah, level 5 on my honor, I will do my best. So basically what we did here, just to re-emphasize, is gunzip won't extract files that doesn't have the extension .gz. So what you have to do is you have to rename the file next level to next level.gz, then you will extract the zip from it, then it will overwrite the you'll get rid of the gz extension, and you can just print out the file. Okay, so that's the password for level 5. Okay, level 6 bash 6 will give you level 5. Right, so now we will exit this again. Level 5. Get the password, copy and paste. Look around for more guidance. Okay, that is interesting. Nothing much being said. Okay, we see a values.txt and a JPEG file. So you could cat the values.txt first. Okay, yeah, so you see an image here. So we need to get the image over to my computer, and we should transfer it over SSH. So let's do a quick Google, transfer files over SSH Linux. Yeah, so okay, so to actually copy it over, there's this scp command from source to destination. So we can take a look at the man of scp. Yeah, so we can see there's a -i -port -option, which is normally what we need. So since the scp command is also enabled here, yeah, it'll be fantastic. So we can change it to scp. We are able to specify the port, we are able to specify the option, we are able to specify where is it from. So maybe we should log back in and check the working directory of the place, because we have to specify where the file comes from and where we're going to place it. Okay, so let's log back in one more time. Okay, so print working directory is to print the current directory. So /home/level5/ the file, which is syl.jpg. Okay, great. Now exit first. We also need to know our current directory on the machine itself /root. Okay, but let's say I want to put it to, like this NeverLAN desktop folder. Probably be /root/ probably be /root/ desktop. Yeah. Okay, so let's start. So scp, we'll put out the information first, like, okay, I will open one more tab for this. Okay, give me a while. Okay, I'll just copy this out instead. So we have the port, we have that, and we have the information. So let's do a scp. So according to this information, it's from path to file username. Okay. So the path to file, will specify this information. Do note, if you saw earlier, that the -p, the port specifier, must be capital P. And -o, okay. Level 5, right? dot see where's the file connection, home slash home slash level 5 to our own local machine slash root slash desktop, probably slash NeverLAN. Yeah, that should be good enough. So we start issuing the copy. Okay, we need the password. So the password, I should have it here. Paste it in. Oh, I forgot to put the file name. So the file name is syl.jpg. Okay. Paste the password. Okay, transferring. Okay, done. Nice. So let's view the file. Have you memorized the code yet? Have you memorized the code yet? Okay. Right. Now we move on to challenge 6, which let us take a look. -7, logging in to user level 6, if I'm not wrong. Yep, level 6. Oh, I didn't copy the password. Okay. Look in level7.txt. You have to figure out what to do with that on your own. So let us cat level7.txt. base64. You can tell from the padding you see at the end. So let us use this inbuilt Kali Linux tool, base64 decode this level7.txt. Okay, great, got it. White heads have values and rules. So this is the clue for level 7. I mean not the clue, the flag. We'll exit this. Let us do level 7. That should be the trend. I mean, I could check, but yeah. Right, level 7. Remember to copy. Okay, it's almost the same as the last level, just got to do one more step. This is, man, I don't know what's this. So we need to do base64, that's for sure. Level 8.txt, so let us print out level 8.txt to see what is it first. Yeah, probably some base64 also. Although it doesn't have the padding. It may be probably, what do you call it? There's enough bytes to make sure that there's no padding needed. Okay, so we need to base64 that. Yeah, some kind of gibberish. So this needs a little more guesswork. Yeah. From here, I guess we could probably get a hex value. I saw that somewhere on the Slack chat. Hex value. So now convert. No. Get hex. Linux. Yeah. Right. Yes. XXD. So XXD can convert to, what do you call it, a hex for you. So maybe what we'll do is we'll pipe this to a file, and then thereafter XXD and change maybe this binary value to hex. Okay, so base64, then you pump it to a v64 file. Okay, you got base64 file, so you can cat the base64 file. It's the same value. Let's take a look at the xxd command on how to use it. Not very clear. Hex. It just xxd the file. As far as I know, it should be correct. xxd the base64 file into another file called base64.hex maybe. So you can cat 64.hex. Okay. Oh, but I don't want it like that. Okay, anyway, now we have a hex value file, so maybe let's examine the file header here, like common file headers. Paste, let's see if we get anything. 1FDB08. Looks like it is a common file signature. 1F8B0, is that what we're looking at? 1F8B08, right. There's a gzip archive file, so now we have to convert the hex file that we have into a gzip archive file. But I think XXD we must specify some output just to get the hex value only. So for that, we will do a quick search. XXD get hex value only. But do we need to? Never mind, let us. Okay, I doubt it will work, but let's just try gun zipping this without. Yeah, because it's not in the correct format. But let us just try. So you just move, move base64 hex. It's not responding. Damn, it's not responding. Oh, God. Okay. So let's move this base64.hex to base64.gunzip, which, as I said earlier, you need it to be in .gzip to be able to unzip it. You put gunzip, hopefully it works. Yeah, it's not in the gunzip. Okay, not too sure. Let's just check. Plain hex, yeah, that's what we need. Okay, so dash plain. Yeah, probably you can try this. XXD dash plain. Oops, not plain, but plain. The base64 file to b64.hex. List it out. Sorry, cat. Yeah, right. Okay, this is the format you would like it to be in. And now, yeah, so move. You will plan to rename the file to gunzip. Move base64 hex to b64 dot replace. Then you gunzip the b64 dot gz file. Okay, not in gzip format. Okay, that's weird. Not in gzip format. This is one of the harder challenges so far. Gunzip dash h. No. Gunzip. Maybe you need to specify dash decompress. Yeah, but we did do that the last time. Not in gzip format. Wait. Yeah, it looks like it's in the right format. So this is the hex. So what you could do is gunzip. let me check back at the previous way. Apparently you have to revert back to binary. Right, so you revert the plain revert. Yeah, sorry about that. Dash plain revert the I don't know, like, you know, flag.gz. Yeah, hopefully this works. So gun zip. Okay, we got it. So you should get the output as a flag. Right, so you can cat flag. You got it. My read ran out 5 levels ago. Level 8. This is really one of the hardest challenges so far for the bash series. Okay, so let's exit. Yeah, and move on to bash 9. Okay, same thing. Level 8. Paste this in, password. Okay, your goal here is to decrypt level 9.encoded. Okay, so let us try like to list out all the files first. There is a .clue. Great. AES256 CBC encryption password is level 9, please. And the file, let us also print out and see what's inside level 9. Cat level 9.encoded. Looks like base64. Like anyway, after encryption, they would have placed in base64. So, quick Google search on how to, you know, get decrypt enc file. Okay, maybe a Linux. OpenSSL, right. So we use OpenSSL to decrypt. Oh, dash is invalid command. Dash help. Will it work? No, also invalid. Standard commands. Okay, maybe we'll just do a quick Google search. I believe it'll be faster. How to decrypt a .enc file. Okay. So we want to use OpenSSL to decrypt the enc file, enc file. Okay, we have something similar here. Looks like, yeah. We decrypt using this, so let's put it side by side maybe. So open SSL and then we follow the format. They gave us that, it told us that it's an AES 256 CBC encryption, and we also have the password level 9 please. So open SSL. Yes. Do we have salt? Oops. Right. Open SSL. -A -salt. Okay, we know we need the -d flag for decryption. I'm not too sure about the rest, so let's just put in the input output first. So input we will have level 9.enc. Then we could leave it like flag, flag.txt. Wrong. -out. Password is level 9 please. Bad magic number. Okay. This is base 64, right? Maybe let's see if there's any information inside. I doubt there is though. -d. Oops, sorry. X.txt. No. Level 9. Aha. We see it's sorted. Okay. So yeah, we have to add in the salt then. I think any salt will do fine. I can't go up. Give it a while. Okay. Yeah, we probably have to place a -salt somewhere. Maybe that will work. Decryption will be level 9 please. Still bad magic number. That is weird. We need to specify -base 64. Pretty sure that's the issue there. Level 9 please. Oh, I think we got it. Nice. Flag.txt. Cat flag.txt. Yes. Fantastic. Please, someone help. And okay, moving on to level 10. Moving on to level 10, we will have the password. Okay, level 9. Right. So exit. Level 9.txt. User level 9. The password, paste. Wait, what? The connection was closed. Okay, we'll try one more time. To be honest, I really love the headings. It's very nice. It looks very, very cool. Yeah. Okay, so I'm assuming what I have to do now is, while doing a SSH connection, I pass in the command to read final.txt. So let's just do a quick search again. I'm quite new to this also, so Yeah, hope you understand. So SSH pass in command, send remote commands via SSH. Okay, so SSH something, then you send a command before it shuts you out, I guess. So same thing here, the command I think is 2 apostrophes, right? Okay, and then so to print out the text, you just final.txt. Password, just paste it in again if you ask. Yeah, if you ask for it. Okay, wrong password. Okay, I think I copied something wrongly. Let's just copy this one more time. Oh, right, I got it. The final flag. I'm now a child of honor. Great, final flag. Fantastic. Okay, so we'll just add this to the final flag, level 10. Oh, whoops. So with this, I have completed the, second tutorial on the Bash, Ninja's Bash games. Yeah, and I hope you loved the walkthrough, and I hope it was fulfilling for you. Yeah, and I hope it's useful and you learn something from this. Thank you.